This is how shorter men should be wearing suits. If you're under 5'10", then this is the video you've been waiting for. Following on from our previous two videos where we've been talking about different ways short men can style themselves to give them more presence and make them appear taller, today we're going to focus on that linchpin of men's style, the suit. And our different styles of suits and different elements of this suit can help change the impression of your physique and your image. By the end of this video, you will have a really good understanding of the different elements of the suit and how you can use them to help make the most of your physical posture, particularly if you're a man of shorter stature. If you're watching this video, chances are your height and your general stature is going to stay the same, more or less. You can mitigate or accentuate different elements of your physique using style, and in particular using a suit. There is a famous quote, I've read many tailors quote, but I personally first heard it from a Savile Row tailor called Maurice Sedgwell, and it basically said a tailor's job is to be an illusionist. In other words, it's to conceal and hide things that we don't like and to reveal and accentuate the elements of our physique that we do. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Remember, the goal of style is not to make you look taller. The goal of style, in my opinion, is to bring the man to his maximum and optimum level of self-confidence. It's about you. Fashion is about others, but style is about you, finding your zenith and your maximized self. So let's get right to it. The first thing is to avoid excess cloth. Now, when buying a suit, particularly a bespoke suit, one of the first things you do is choose the fabric. In general, guys, the more fabric hanging on your body is going to add heft, and in particular, it's going to direct the eye line sideways. The way the human eye works is it works via assumptions. It works via illusions and optical illusions. Those optical illusions are either vertical or horizontal. And in tailoring, in general, you want to move the eye up and down the body to give it more length, to elongate it and make it look taller. The more fabric you have resting on your body, the wider you look, and the more you're going to accentuate your lack of presence or lack of height. So the first things first when choosing a jacket is less fabric equals a cleaner, more defined silhouette equals a taller figure. The next tip is an underrated detail, and that's buttons. For shorter men, 1 or 2 button jackets will always favor you. The more buttons on a jacket, again, the more the eye is going to move sideways and the more stocky the silhouette is going to look. So when you're picking a jacket, you want to choose like the one I'm wearing now, which is a 1-button jacket, or maximum 2-button jacket. You're never supposed to button the lower button of the jacket anyway. That's a golden rule you must remember. But in general, guys, the less buttons on your jacket when you're buying a suit, the better. And tethering on the button situation, the V, that's the V that the lapels create when you fasten your suit, is probably the most obvious and outstanding detail on any suit. In general, for shorter men, you want to go for a deeper V. So the longer the V goes down towards your waistline, the more longer your silhouette, or I should say your torso, is going to look. So you want to make sure that your V goes at least beyond your chest bone here. You want it to go towards your belly button, not necessarily on your belly button, but towards your belly button. There's a few caveats that you need to be aware of if you're a guy who has a naturally long torso and quite short legs. You want to make sure that you don't emphasize that too much. Otherwise, you can end up looking like Johnny Bravo. The next tip is a short skirt. Now, the skirt of your suit jacket is the part of the jacket that goes beyond the waistline and down towards your hips and your thighs. That part of the skirt needs to hit no lower than the bottom end of your seat. Seat is a tailoring term for your bum. So you want to make sure that the skirt of your jacket is shorter than normal. Anything beyond your seat will shorten your legs. Anything above the seat tends to have the effect of lengthening your legs. And that's key for shorter men. But where the capital gains are when it comes to tailoring, it's in the trousers. That's really when short men can really work their eye and look taller by styling their trousers correctly. First and most obvious tip is the higher the waistline, the longer the legs are going to look. The longer the legs, the taller the figure or the silhouette looks. So you want to choose a high-rise pants or at least a mid-rise pants for your suit trousers. That again extends that leg line, moves the eye up and down the body, and the longer your legs look, the more elegant the suit looks anyway, but it does give the illusion of a taller figure. And I'll use the image I'm going to attach now so you can gain reference. Another tip when choosing pants is you want to go for a darker tone, because darker tones have a defined silhouette, help you slim you down and lengthen you. And you want to go for a slimmer cut. If you like a full cut trousers, I know full cut is coming in. It's a very classical option. It's more to British tailoring than Italian tailoring. The full cut does look very nice, but if you do go for full cut trousers, make sure that the crease of the trousers is very well defined. Have a really strong crease in the trousers and try and avoid any breaks. So if you're a guy who's into classical taste, you might like turn-ups on your trousers. Those do break and cut the legs at the end, which doesn't do any favors for any shorter men or men with shorter legs. So consider avoiding turn-ups on your trousers, but the crease is really key for elongating that leg length. Guys, just when you're accessorizing your suit, darker shoes, particularly if they're slimmer, so chunky shoes don't really work well for short men, slim dark shoes and simple ties and simple accessories, smaller the better. It helps keep your silhouette tight, keep your look tight, and help stretch out and elongate your silhouette. So keep your accessories simple, keep your shoes slim and dark. And there you have it, fellas, a quickfire guide to styling a suit if you're a shorter man. What do you guys think? What are your biggest style challenges when it comes to tailoring right now? Let me know in the comments, and as ever, I'll be happy to answer. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe for more tips on how to dress for your body shape. And of course, smash that like button and hit that notification bell so you know the next I post. I really enjoyed making that one, guys. I appreciate you watching the channel and supporting us, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.